Did you know that less than 5% of home gardeners grow Lovage? Despite its remarkable versatility and rich history in culinary and medicinal applications, this underappreciated perennial can elevate your cooking and health, yet it remains a hidden gem in most herb gardens. Now is the perfect time to discover the robust flavors and benefits of Lovage. Stay tuned for our upcoming video where we'll dive into the incredible health benefits of Lovage. You won't want to miss discovering what this underappreciated herb can do for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your dishes and well-being. Start growing and consuming Lovage today. Lovage is a robust perennial herb that is often likened to celery in both appearance and flavor. It features tall, hollow stems and deep green leaves that resemble those of flat-leaf parsley, though they are larger and more aromatic. The plant can grow up to 6 feet tall, making it a striking addition to any garden. Its umbels of tiny yellow flowers, which appear in early summer, are similar to those of other Apiaceae family members, such as fennel and caraway. With its rich, earthy taste, Lovage adds depth to soups, stews, and salads, offering a more concentrated flavor than its milder cousin, parsley. You can enjoy the rich, celery-like flavor of Lovage by incorporating its leaves into salads, soups, and stews, or using them as a bold garnish for savory dishes. Discover the powerhouse of nutrients hidden in Lovage, an ancient herb that not only enhances your meals but also offers a plethora of health benefits to boost your well-being. Lovage is a nutrient-rich herb with numerous health benefits. Improves digestion. Lovage contains dietary fiber and has antispasmodic properties that help relax the gastrointestinal tract, easing digestion and preventing issues like bloating and indigestion. Detoxifies the body. Rich in antioxidants, Lovage helps in detoxifying the body by neutralizing harmful free radicals, thus supporting overall health and preventing various diseases. Diuretic properties. The herb acts as a natural diuretic, promoting urine production. This helps in flushing out toxins from the kidneys and can prevent water retention. Supports heart health. Lovage's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce blood pressure and improve circulation, contributing to better heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Antimicrobial effects. The essential oils in Lovage have been shown to possess antimicrobial properties, which can help fight bacteria and viruses, potentially boosting the immune system. Reduces inflammation. The compounds in Lovage, such as eugenol and quercetin, have anti-inflammatory effects that can help manage conditions like arthritis and may reduce pain and swelling. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Lovage is a good source of vitamin C, which is crucial for immune system function, skin health, and iron absorption, as well as various B vitamins that play a role in energy metabolism. Respiratory health. With expectorant properties, Lovage can aid in clearing congestion in the respiratory tract, making it beneficial for those suffering from colds, coughs, or respiratory infections. Menstrual aid. The herb has been traditionally used to help alleviate symptoms of menstruation such as cramps and bloating due to its antispasmodic properties. Skin health. Applied topically, Lovage can help treat skin problems due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce acne and promote clearer skin. Each of these benefits stems from the diverse range of bioactive compounds found in Lovage, including PHT halides, terpenoids, and flavonoids, which contribute to its overall health-promoting properties. As we've discovered, Lovage is not just an ordinary herb, it's a powerhouse of nutrition that has been greatly underestimated. With its impressive array of health benefits, from improving digestion to supporting heart health, Lovage deserves a prominent spot in both your garden and your diet. Don't let this culinary and medicinal treasure remain under the radar. If you found this information enlightening, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and herbal wisdom. Have you tried Lovage in your recipes or remedies? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.